UNIS, a lot of people been telling me about them. They have like 2 Filipina trainees that were on the show that are part of this group. 8-member girl group, F&F Entertainment phone by SBS. Explain, the group is the acronym of the phrase U&iS story. Ah, I see. So U&iS, U&iS, like UNIS. Is it pronounced UNIS or UNS? This is the leader, Hyunju, leader, Scorpio. Let's call Miss Ma'am. She's Korean, like we said before. Nana, we checked this out earlier in the stream. We got Japanese member. She's Filipina. Gaily. Am I saying that correctly? Oh my God, she a Leo. So many new groups. No, for real. Her nickname is Cherry. Okay. Name Kotoko. Oh, that's a cute name, by the way. Oh my God, they're so young. Yunha. Oh my God. And Alicia got first place. Main vocalist. Okay. She's Filipina as well. I saw her in there. Let's go, Miss Man. Let's go, Philippines. Let's go. She has a blue belt in Taekwondo. Let's go. She speaks English and Tagalog. I mean, probably Korean too now. Yuna, 2009. And then we have Sowan, who is, oh my God, 2011. You are the maknae. Holy crap. I am getting old, and this is where I realize I need to get out of this. Yeah, only 2 Filipinas. Hyunju is half Filipino. She's from oh, her? That's what I thought. 3. She's half Filipino. Yes, Hyunju is half Korean. Her father, and half Filipina. Let's go. I'm a hapa too. Let's go. I mean, without further ado, let's look into it. Let's check it out, and let's begin. Bop. SuperWoman. 4K. Captures on. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 4, 4. Yeah.
Can't you feel it? Can't you see it? 오묘하게 가려진 veil. 상상해봐 뭐든지 all the good things. 생각 뛰어넘어 trying 전부 내 맘대로 design. 자 놀라워진 나를 보여줄 timing.
Cut the beat off the bat. Okay. Oh my God, she's like walking on a wheel. Ooh. Hey. Very sounds fun. Very upbeat. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Takyo talk. Oh, I like the production of this too. Just having fun. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Oh my God, they look so young. From now on, y'all are my little sis. My little sisters. You better get yours, ma'am. At this moment, baby. I don't know. But y'all SuperWoman. It's catchy. Ooh. Like reggaeton vibes? Yeah, like a Latin vibe too. Yes, you are, Miss Mel. Ooh, that pink donut looks good. That you're a SuperWoman. You're strong and independent. Oh, that transition with the donut was pretty fire. You a SuperWoman. Ooh. I am. I got the power, not a follower. Hey. Yes, Miss Ma'am. It's the confidence from me. So they're a project group, right? From a survival show. Landed. Oh, they're not from here. Where are we? Or where are they? What is this? It's got pink sands. This is Barbie. U&iS. Thanks for you guys been commenting to me to check out this group, and I finally checked it out. It's pretty catchy. They have a Latin beat, very reggaeton beat at the in their SuperWoman song. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to check out some other groups, newer groups. Let me know, and yeah, stream UNIS.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.